Well, it's wonderful to have Alia Bhatt with us here in Los Angeles. She's touring the Dream Team concert tour, and she's been having a phenomenal run. And Alia, first of all, pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you. Finally, I'm here back.
Finally. In fact, I must share you this interesting observation that I overheard from someone after watching your performance, that Alia Bhatt is a unique combination of Beyonce, 50 Shades of Grey, and conventional Bollywood diva. So how do you react to that? Maybe, I don't know. He's the guy who told me.
50 Shades of Grey. I don't know which part of that I am.
Right.
But
in terms of factor, maybe the factor, I don't know.
I am very impressed with this combination and this analogy. But I don't know what I'll say to that. But I'll say thank you to anything and be very happy with any kind of compliment.
Basically, I think what he meant was that it's like a metaphor, in terms of that you can be the conventional Bollywood diva in terms of Samjhawa, at the same time that what you do with the Ladki Kar Gaye Chol is like in terms of that entire uninhibitedness, maybe because of that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you start the show.
Yes.
You start the show. It's not easy because the thing is that you are the one who's setting up the tempo somewhere for just the entire excitement level. I've seen you in the first concert itself when you were going in, and I was more nervous than you, to be honest, and you seem totally bindas.
So sweet.
How do you manage
So
this confidence level?
Let me just add that I am very nervous. Okay, I am confident because I am like, that's what I'm supposed to be. I'm an actor and I have to look confident and feel confident. And I'm confident about my work because I have worked really hard. So I know my steps. I know everything. सब कुछ perfect भी हो जाए ना, फिर भी वो nervousness, it does not leave you. So actually I'm dead nervous. And as you said, because I start the show, there's a certain expectation because I have to set the tempo. I have to set the tone.
Absolutely.
So which is why my act is 9.5 minutes, apart from Samjhawa, of just pumping energy. Like there's not a minute where I'm even standing. Like I'm constantly doing something because it's the first act. So you have to kind of like, give the people this adrenaline shot.
Absolutely.
And then they're like, okay, okay, abhi next kya hai? So then they can enjoy it.
Absolutely.
So even like though sometimes I keep telling myself, आज मैं ज़्यादा energy नहीं डालूंगी, now I'll focus more on expressions. Today I'll focus more on this because there's 6 shows. So I can do different things. But when I'm on stage, कहीं ना कहीं से वो energy आ ही जाता है, and I'm always going like ta 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 at the end of it because I can't help it.
Right. I must tell you that both of us, in the first rehearsal at Houston itself, when you were rehearsing itself, we were like that, man, this is something else. The entire, you don't portray maybe, आप काफी चुलबुलानेस आपके अंदर आता है generally, but you're like hugely ambitious somewhere. You're in fact driven, in a big manner. Where does that big ambition comes from?
I think it comes from a dream, which is I think at least at this point in my life and since the 4 years that I've been in the industry has been my main focus and priority. And that dream I've had since I remember anything about myself, about being this big movie star and also just being actually more than an actor. I want to be a personality that people know, look up to, understand, love, admire, adore, everything, even hate. I want to be everything. So because of that, my focus and my attention is only on the things that I do and on my work. And for that reason, I think maybe that's why I can say I definitely am a very, very ambitious. I'm sometimes too ambitious because my mind is only working in that direction. But I think this is the time that I can be this way.
Right. In fact, apart from the fact that she doesn't mind someone hating her, she also doesn't mind the fact that she can make fun of herself before anyone else doing it. I think what you've done this year, I have an immense respect for you. What you did with Udta Punjab, the way you believed in the movie and what you did was I think after Highway to do in such a short succession something like this. Do you personally feel satisfied somewhere and that कहीं ना कहीं that कि आपने महेश भट्ट और सोनी राजदान की आप मतलब you are the child and somewhere they must be extremely proud of what you did with Udta Punjab and the way you believed in it as well.
Yeah, they are happy. They are very, very happy. And as I said before, that maybe because I've been brought up in a house like that, where taking bold decisions, putting a foot forward, where you take a stand for something, do something out of the box, something edgy, something against what the norms are, is something that I've seen happen. So maybe मेरे लिए भी वो natural course था. So obviously when I do something like that and go against the stereotype actress kind of role, and my parents see it, they don't tell me directly too many times. They'll tell me once, twice, thrice that they're very proud, very happy, and they'll cry and they'll hug and they'll kiss and they'll do all of that. But then after that, they also know कि ज़्यादा बोलोगे तो कहीं भी जा सकता है. So I think they kind of reserve that to a point.
No, absolutely. I was speaking to Karan Johar yesterday, and he's definitely a parent to you. And the way he was telling me that during Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, when you guys sang Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and he was like, she was a child at that point of time, and he really gets really emotional when he talks about you. And he was talking about Dear Zindagi as well, that it is something to look out for. So, you from what he says and from what the expectations are, the director is extremely good. That maybe you're going to end the year on a high, and that too is Shah Rukh Khan.
Well, that will just be the cherry on the cake, because honestly speaking, I'm very very excited about this film for two reasons. And obviously one of the biggest reasons is that I'm working with Shah Rukh for the first time, and just working with him, being in one frame with him, doing a film with him I never even thought that dream would ever come true, to be frank with you. And for the second reason, I feel like it's a very very sweet and simple and unique story. A story that's not been told before, a narrative that's not been opted for before. Sure. And I think Corey has done a great job with the writing of the films. I really hope that we've managed as actors and as the whole team to put together a film that will be remembered.
Too much of speculation that whether Shah Rukh Khan is having a cameo, it's like a half an hour role. What exactly is it? He said it's a full-fledged role.
I'll be very frank with you. There are two ways in which I justify or you can tell whether a role is important or not. उसको अगर रोल फिल्म से निकाल दिया, फिल्म के नैरेटिव या स्क्रीन प्ले को कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? Definitely पड़ेगा. So if you remove Shah Rukh Khan from the film, there's no film. So in that way, you can say he's a very very integral part of the film.
Okay, she's getting as diplomatic as it. Okay,
is the way to look at a film.
No, absolutely. Okay, and coming back to Dream Team, the entire hectic schedule that you guys have been having, and you're expected to just come back and deliver the goods, and you guys have been delivering the goods. How physically challenging has this experience been?
Oh my God, don't even begin. I mean, also, of course, because it's the jet lag, then it's the performance, and it's the catching the flights. We finish the performance and we catch a flight, we land in the next city, and the plane, however said and done, you can't get the perfect sleep, even if you really really try. So it's broken sleep, and also we're not just sleeping. We have to wake up, we have to work out before, we have to rehearse, we have to mark, and just the whole energy. The thing is, there's no complaints, because it's actually what we live for. And if you get a little bit of a break, or if you want to do that thing again, but it's super exhausting. I had never imagined it to be so exhausting. Like, I don't know what has happened in the past 10 days. It's just gone. Like, I don't know where time has gone. It's unbelievable.
What is your personally favorite actor? Because there are several things that you're doing with various people as well. What is your personal favorite actor?
My personal favorite act, as in when I'm performing on stage, I honestly really enjoy the whole finale, even though our solo performances are whatever our standout own. But there's some energy and rush about the finale, about running in. What you are seeing is on stage, but what's happening backstage, rushing and running, changing, and we're all crammed together. It's too much fun. And I think when it gets over, it's such a big high when Shava Shava happens and the confetti goes off, and that whole thing of being with everybody on stage and one by one coming with a combination of everyone. I just wish the girls and me had to do one song together. That's one thing I feel really bad about.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Okay, and one thing that I personally observed is that kahin na kahin when you're saying the dream team, that element of team is very prominently over there. The way you guys have been, just passing the ball. Yeah. It's not merely mujhe score karna hai, I have to score the goal. The way it's fascinating, frankly speaking, and it shows as well. Yeah. Do you feel it's important to have that team spirit for anything of this sort to succeed?
See, the camaraderie exists. That we even we are a bunch of people who do get along very well, So there are we are friends as well. In a way, me, Varun, Sid started off together. Varun and Adi and Sid are also very friendly off. I've also known Pari since the beginning. Katrina and me are very friendly. And somehow the people who are not friendly also have gotten closer. Like Katrina and Pari, me and Pari even. So people who, when you're spending so much time together, it's bound to happen. And also we are just really motivated and passionate about making this show a success. So even if we start thinking about ourselves for 1 second, that can totally fall flat on the face. So instead, we stand and literally wait backstage and watch everybody's performances when they're important shows, Like for Chicago, yesterday we were only all standing there and good job, well done, this, that. We're constantly helping each other out. We're working out together, we're training together, we're doing things as a team. Even at the break we all went to New York together. Right. So even though it's just short-lived, but it feels like a school trip. Because they're bunking together, you know, like if you, I don't know if you see the picture, me and Katrina and Pari were sleeping on that bed together. It's a lot of fun. And we're going to really miss it. Yeah, I'm going to, after this, I'm going to be like, mera gana bajao, mujhe mera marking karna hai, what's going to happen?
You know, apart from the fact that you have this entire creative aspirations, the artistic aspiration, you're primarily a commercial movie star. North America is a huge market as far as the movies are concerned, and you guys, the way you know, when you just come in contact with your fans on one-on-one basis, you actually make fans for life, and they just follow you for many years to come. How important has that experience been for you to connect with the fans and something which is there for posterity?
You know, I feel terribly sad sometimes that I'm at this big arena and there's so many people, like thousands of people, but I can't literally interact with each and every one of them. And the one only thing about this I don't like is that I am the only one who doesn't really go out. Like, I know Katrina enters from the audience, Varun enters from the audience. I really want to do something that will make, like, I want to be inside the audience, but it's not possible because everybody's act is planned a certain way. But every time I see them, when I see the crowd, I just want to reach out to them and like literally interact with them one-on-one. Right. That's literally, but it's so impossible and it can't happen. So I just try and give as much love as possible because, see, at the end of the day, they are spending their money and they're coming to watch you. And I have just been for 2 concerts. So I know what it feels like to be on the other end also. Absolutely. To be a fan and watch. I've cried when I've seen Chris Martin and Beyonce perform on stage. So I also know what it feels like to see that celebrity and that performer and like just them giving you something back. So I'm really happy to be here, and I really just hope that people remember us with a smile on their faces.
And in fact, now you're being compared to Beyonce.
By who? By this person over here.
Okay, and when you guys come together, Siddharth, Varun, for the Student of the Year, that is something that everyone gets nostalgic about. Karan Johar gets nostalgic about as well. How important has that Radha and that disco for you guys?
No, we were in fact the other day only talking about it, that it's so strange that when 3 of us come on stage and we do Disco Diwani, it's just every time so special. And even if we're doing it randomly somewhere in a party, but it's still special because it's the way we have been brought into this like world and into this like, you know, into this whole universe of movies. So I particularly feel very like, you know, special about this whole thing, and that's one thing that will always be mine. Like, movies will come and go, people will come and go, things will happen, but this one moment of 3 of us doing Disco Diwani and just being that trio that we set out, because initially I remember when we started off, people were like, tum log kabhi separate hote ho? Like, people thought we were joined to the hip because we would always travel together. And now we've gone our own ways and we're doing our own thing, but this moment will always be special.
Like Samjhava is something that is getting fabulous response from people, and you're having Badrinath Durania coming very soon. Looking forward to that?
Of course, I'm definitely looking forward, and I'm so happy that we did Samjhava because this is my favorite song. And people were saying that, you know, you're already doing it in your solo act, how will we do it again? And we're like, no, let's just do it. And we're so happy that we did it because it's a beautiful song and it gets a great reaction. And there will be more romantic songs coming in Badrinath Ki Dulhania. So.
In fact, you know, I still get a fabulous response to the Humpty Sharma interview that we did. I'm looking forward. Seriously, it's like amazingly still, which is very.
When Varun will start promoting again for Badrinath, then we have to do these crazy interviews.
No, I still get a response, which I think in a way is a yardstick as well. Finally, Alia, how do you look back at this entire journey, and do you feel that it will affect your future decisions as far as selecting movies, because you know you're feeding off the audience right now?
Yes.
Do you feel that it will affect your choice of movies in the coming years?
Well, I think one thing I've understood from
songs?
Yes, I think that's exactly what I was going to say. One thing I've understood from coming over here is that eventually the connection that the overseas audience makes through you is through your songs. And even though they remember your scenes, but when they hear songs, there's a feeling that, because it's a universal like language, a universal feeling music, you know. When you see Badshah on stage, he's like killing it because his songs are so universally loved. Absolutely. So actually, I'm glad you said that, because I'm going to make it a point to make sure that I do those commercial pictures wherein which, I mean, commercial is a different word now, but wherein which there is this song and dance, because the song and dance is very dear to me also. So I want to be known for also the music, and I'm so lucky to have so many hit songs. So I'm going to continue to make sure I have hit songs.
Fantastic. So it was, thank you very much, Alia, for giving us time. And as I mentioned, as I mentioned in the beginning as well, that there are very few actors that you genuinely respect. She's much younger than me, but as a performer, I think what she is doing is hats off to her. So thank you very much, and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Bye.